Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to find square root of a number. Number can be of any number of digits, but the method what we are going to see is a simple and commonly used method and is more effective when I apply this to a number which is having 5 or more digits. So let us take a 5-digit number 15,000, 15,625. Now we are going to divide this number into groups, and each group is having 2 digits each, starting from right hand side. So our first group is 2 5, second group is 5 6, and the last group, which is the leftmost group, is having only 1 digit. That is fine. And this is our third group. In total, how many groups we have? 3, right? 1 2 3. So that means our square root will be of a 3-digit number. So let us start. It's a normal division approach. So let us start with the leftmost group. Now we have 1 here. That's only 1. Okay. So what is the nearest square number to the 1? 1, obviously. So that is nothing but 1 multiplied by 1. So our divisor will be 1 and quotient will be 1. The product is 1. Subtract, it is 0. Now you can't divide this 0 with this 1. So let us bring down the next group to the down. That is 56. Now observe closely. We are going to add the divisor here with the last quotient, that is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Put 2 here. Okay. Now suffix a number to this 2 and multiply with the same number. We have to see whether we will get 56 or not. Okay, let us start. So let us suffix 1 to these 2, multiply by with 1. It is 21. No, it is too far. Now let us say suffix with 2, multiply with 2. It is 44. Okay. Now suffix with 3, multiply with 3. It is equal to
69.
which is above 56. So let us suffix 2 with 2 here. So your quotient will be 12. And now it is 44. Subtract, it is 12 here. Subtract, you can't divide this 12 with 22. So bring down the next group down. It is 25. Okay. So now your dividend is 1225, and your number. So now same, we need to repeat the above step. Take the divisor, add the last quotient, so 22 plus 2, 24 here, so 24. Now so here the last digit is 5, right? So obviously we need to suffix with 5 and multiply with 5. So let us say 24 suffix with 5 multiply with 5, it is 5 plus 25, and it will be, yep, it will be 1225. All right, so now our 24 5 and your 5, put 5 here, quotient 5, so 245 multiplied by 5 is 1225 0. Reminder, that's it. So your square root for this particular number is 125. So if you practice this more, you will be able to do it very quickly, and this will be helpful in your exams. Now let us look at a 6-digit number. Same approach, same method, but just for understanding how we are going to do for a number having even number of digits. Okay, now we will look to find square root of a 6-digit number. Let us take a number with 6 digits. So 1,87,000, 1,87,489. It is basically 187,489 if you are following a million system. Okay, now let us group from the right hand side. As we discussed earlier, it is going to be right to left, 2 digits each. So 89 will be one group, 74 will be the second group, and the last group will be 18. So first step is take the leftmost group and see what is the nearest square number. So nearest square number for 18 here is 16, which is nothing but 4 multiplied by 4. Now 4 fours are 16. Subtract, it is going to be 2. You can't divide 2 with 4, so let us bring down the next group, 74. So now the number is 274, and as discussed earlier, add this with this, that is 8. Now we need to see what we are going to suffix with 8. So the last number here is 4, so let us try with suffixing 2. 82s are 2, 164. Then let us try with 3, suffix 3 with multiply with 3, it is 249, which is very close. So now it is going suffix with 3 here, and your quotient will be 3. So 249 subtract, so it's going to be 25 here. Bring down 89, as we cannot divide 25 with 83, so the number is going to be 2589. Let us repeat the step. Add this with the last quotient. 83 plus 3, 86. Here we have 9. So here you need to suffix with either 3 or 7. So let us start with 3 here. So 86, 3 multiplied by 3. How much it is going to be? Wow, it is exactly 2589. So 3 here and 3 here. If you multiply 863 with 3, it is going to be 2589, and reminder 0. Yeah, that's it. So your square root is 433 for this number. So if we practice this particular method, then you will be able to solve the square roots of any number very quickly. And if you are preparing for a competitive exams, it is going to help you a lot. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a good day.